I did a board repair on this Whirlpool double oven board, and what I found was there's 4 capacitors, two 100 microfarad at 63 volts, one 2.2 microfarad at 50, and one 33 microfarad at 50 volts. I checked first the 2.2 microfarad capacitor, and it tested pretty low. It was in the yellow, but I changed it anyways. And the 33 microfarad just didn't even register at all on the meter. Likewise, the 100 microfarad caps, one tested in the red, and the other one, when I tested it, just didn't register at all either. So I changed all 4 of these caps. And this is after replacing them. You want to make sure that when you're replacing capacitors that you follow the polarity, so pay attention to that. I also found a few cold solder joints, and so all the connectors I just reflowed the solder. Any one of these boards, you're going to see that you have this kind of dark discolored area where you could see it has heat stress. You want to make sure that all those connectors and the contacts, the traces aren't broken. On mine, I didn't see any broken traces on this one, but I did secure that transistor because it was a little loose. Now, normally I don't repair boards in my lab, but in this case, I had to order a few of the parts, so I had to find a way to supply the board with 24 volts AC, and I have a variac that I used. It's an isolation transformer that you can adjust the voltage output. So you're going to see in the next video clip how I hooked that up to test it. So the next day I went and installed the control board in the oven and tested all the functions, and everything worked out great. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, let me know. We'll see you next time.